Welcome at Pizza and More. The pizza we make today fits absolutely perfect to the current season, to summer. And I'm pretty sure this pizza would also fit to your pizza menu. Yeah, I'm Jürgen and we make now a Pizza al Limone. This is a pizza we make without any tomato sauce, so it's a so-called Pizza Bianca. The cheese we use for this pizza is a Provola or Provolone, both are the same. Or if you have no Provola, then you could also use Scamorza or even some dry Mozzarella or Fior di Latte. Unfortunately, we have here no fresh lemons from the Amalfi Coast. Otherwise, this would be definitely the first choice. I would recommend to use some bio lemons, because we need also the peel of this lemon. The dough I will use right now is a normal Neapolitan pizza dough, and it has in the meanwhile a leavening time of 48 hours. And now I would say we start immediately with this fresh, delicious pizza. Yeah, I won't say too many things about the dough. I add here now some semolina onto our pizza dough. Then I release the pizza ball everywhere where it's attached, either to another dough ball or even to the box. And then I lift the dough out and put it directly into semolina. And now it's important to close again the lid so we can avoid that the other dough balls dry out. We flip the dough in the semolina. Then we take it out onto our counter. If we have big air bubbles, we already can open them. And then we shape a nice round form, but we are very gentle and do this only with the fingertips. And then we shape a Neapolitan pizza. As I already said, we have a Pizza Bianca, which means this is without tomato sauce. We add only fresh basil. As next we have the cheese. In my case I have here Fior di Latte and Scamorza. Of course also some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. And we add of course also some olive oil. And here I have black pepper with lemon, so a lemon pepper. If you don't have lemon pepper, then you also could use a normal black fresh grated pepper. Then we add the slices of the lemon. They are cut very thin. And I put this only on one half of the pizza because the other half will be different, because there are two different versions. And now it's already ready to be put into the oven. Some semolina onto the peel. Lift the dough, push the peel under. And then stretch the pizza to its final size. And here comes our lemon pizza out of the oven. And as I already said, on the second half we grate some peel of lemon. And then of course also fresh basil. And you can believe me, this pizza smells so fantastically like lemon. It's really fresh, it's very delicious, and I'm looking now forward to eat this lovely pizza. Yeah, if you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel. Then we see us also in the next video and with lots of different additional versions of pizza. Ciao!